Dirty trick with gerundio. One of the most amazing things that now you could possibly do once you know gerundio and once you know pronoun is to combine gerundio with pronouns, even though that is a gerundio passato. So for instance, if I have to say, since I didn't care, okay, I forgot it, okay. Didn't care is fregarsene, and fregarsene is a verbo pronominale, and as such contains pronouns. So, se and ne. What is the person? Me? Having not cared. So, in reference to me, se becomes me. So, essendomene fregata, because I'm female, okay? Essendomene fregata, non mi sono preoccupata, non ci sono andata, whatever the sentence is, okay? Essendoci, there, essendoci stato un'alluvione, a flood, le persone sono state mandate via, kicked out of the area, evicted of the area, okay, because of the flood. Essendoci stato un'alluvione. Stato because un'alluvione is male, okay? Essendoci stato un'alluvione. Avendomi promesso che sarebbe venuto, gli ho dato fiducia. Having promised to me that he would have come, I gave him trust, literally, okay? Avendomi promesso che sarebbe venuto, gli ho dato fiducia. Guys, we have multiple ways in which we can combine gerundio with pronouns. So try these combinations out with all pronouns that you possibly know, okay? And comment here below, so in that way I can correct or say what is wrong, what we can say, what we cannot say. Just have fun combining gerunds with pronouns, okay? Guys, if that was helpful and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna talk next time in a new video. Bye!